Hello, I'm Ginevra Franchi. I'm a professor at Milano of design thinking. So in today's masterclass we actually covered a lot of tools of design thinking. That is the main approach that we use in Milan. And the tools that we discovered today were really on how to drive innovation and value to design. So my main advice for young designers is to really understand your identity. Because the moment that you understand who you really are, it's where you can understand what do you want to share with the world around you and what you want to change of the world around you. And that is very important for a creative person to understand that, the inside but also the outside. Today I got a great experience here. I did a masterclass about design thinking, and I have to say that today the audience, the students were really wonderful, very interactive and very interested and very curious.